to welcome you all, especially to today's weekly analysis. Okay, so quickly, I want to show you what I'm seeing in the market and also to talk to you about what you should be expecting in the course of this week. Of course, it's been the holiday period. Just last week, we had Christmas, Merry Christmas in Arias, and the New Year celebration is drawing close, and that also will also have there's going to be the implication of having uh, holiday as well, and that may also affect the moves and what to expect and what to see in the market. But in spite of all, I'm going to be showing you what I'm seeing, so stay tuned and watch. Okay, tomorrow will be December 30th, because we're already in 29th, okay, of we're already in 29th of December. So tomorrow will be 30th December, and what we're going to be doing on that 30th of December is live trading session by 1 p.m. GMT plus 1. Okay, so we're going to be trading tomorrow because we have low impact for euro. That's medium impact for euro, medium impact for USD. JPY we have medium impact. Okay, sorry, low impact. And 31st, we're going to be having high impact CNY, bank holiday Nasdaq, bank holiday AUD, bank holiday Euro, JPY bank holiday, but low medium impact USD. So we will be trading on the 31st, as we will be finding any opportunity, little opportunities, not big opportunities, because the big players, the financial institutions, are closed for the year. So it's little or no opportunity in the market. So if I find any, I'm going to show you. But in case you don't see me posting the entry, just understand that the financial institutions are shut down already. Okay, so January 1st, we're going to be having a bank holiday, so there may be no trading on the 1st of January. But if you find any entry, I will let you know. But if I'm not sure if the candles are going to move, because that will be the opening into the new year, and we're going to have high impact USD on Thursday, which is 2nd January. We might find entry on that day, and then we're going to close the week with that's 3rd January Friday with a high impact USD and low impact for the other ones, except JPY, which will still be on holiday. Okay, so quickly let's look at the charts. This is the XY. Okay, so it's consolidating currently and may go bearish. Okay, I'm expecting the XY to go bearish even more, coming to this bullish liquidity side, and if it continues bearish, then I'm going to be looking for my bullish moves for EU and GU. Okay, so stay tuned and watch out for that. But if for any reason it takes out this bearish liquidity and decides to go bullish, then I'm going to be looking for bearish move for GU and EU. So quickly let's go straight to GU. So I just show you what I'm seeing on GU and also on EU. So for GU, you can see currently that GU is on this liquidity side, okay, and is currently, going to give me, if I find the bearish confirmation. But because of this huge liquidity on this side, okay, there's a consequence recruitment here for this liquidity side. If I find any bearish move, I'm going to move down to this point. That's if DXY goes bullish, of which I'm suspecting that from the look of things, DXY may consolidate, break out from that range, and begin to go bearish, okay, of which I will find bullish moves for GU. So I'm going to expect GU to do a retest before it goes bullish. Okay, so watch out for the update GU on the free channel. Then for EU is currently on a bullish liquidity side. Once the bearish move of DXY is confirmed, I'm going to give the bullish confirmation for EU. I'm going to go massive, so it's going to be a massive bullish move, as we're going to be going long on EU up to this liquidity side. So you're going to be looking up for that, and that's for those of you on the VIP channel. So if you're with the live trading 1 p.m. GMT plus 1 on Monday live trading session, several entries for the VIP channel were taken during the live class, and all who were part of the live session were able to partake on the VIP signals even if they were not on the VIP channel. This is one reason why you mustn't miss the live session, the live training session. It's going to be on YouTube and Facebook on our official page, and guess what, it is free, so you have no excuse why you shouldn't be part of that. But now this is gold is consolidating also. Then I'm going to be finding of course in this consolidation moment is coming from this bullish liquidity. I may just go to this point and observe the range, but if any of these two liquidities are taken out, I'll be able to let you now know what directional bias gold may have. And I'm sure it's because of the holiday period and the closure of the year, and that's why the directional bias for gold is not very much clear. For those of you on the VIP channel, you're going to be expecting an update on that. And then for AU, I've drawn out the strategy used on AU is breaker block. So I've drawn out what's to be expecting, or what's to be expected, or which the stop loss will just be around here, the sell stop will be just here, and the take profit will be just here. And we're going to be looking out for that entry to play out as predicted. So quickly we're going to go for EJ, and it's currently on the take profit of the previous entry, so we're just going to wait for it to probably give its retest, and then we're going to be looking for the next entry. Quickly we'll go to the next one, which is US oil. It's currently also on the take profit side, and a liquidity line has been drawn. We're expecting to see the breakout and then get a confirmation for an entry. The next one is US oil, US 100. Okay, so I've drawn this liquidity on the upside, so I'm expecting it to just come here, give a confirmation on that liquidity side, and then I know if I will be going bearish on US 100. So US 30, we've drawn the liquidity, okay, on the upside, so I'm going to be expecting to see what it's going to do, and after which, okay, I think we ought to have another one just around this side. Okay, so we're going to be waiting for what price will do when it gets to this liquidity side, and then we're going to find entry on US 30. So Nasdaq, okay, the liquidity has been drawn, so we're going to be waiting for price to get there and give us the confirmation. And for EG of course got induced, going bearish currently, and there's liquidity being drawn on this path, so we're going to be expecting to see what it will do. Once it gives us a confirmation, we know if we're going to continue bearish. And then UJ of course is on the take profit side. We're going to be waiting for its retest before we begin to find another entry on that part. And then GJ, okay, GJ is still going to touch its take profit zone, of which after which we're going to be looking for the next entry on GJ. So quickly let's go into crypto, as I'm done with the forex market. Okay, so for crypto, it's been beautiful because we've been bullishing BTC, understanding that it's on a bullish trend, so no counter trading for now. So currently it's on this liquidity. Once I think it's tested already, so this liquidity will be off, and we're going to find the massive bullish move which will take BTC back to $100,000, okay, before the next retest that is possibly going to happen. For Ethereum, of course, the entry is still moving, so we're looking at Ethereum at least getting to the take profits, and before we begin to find another entry on Ethereum. So that will be all on crypto. Quickly let's go straight into synthetic. Okay, so let's start from the upside. So we have volatility 25, so the liquidities has been spotted. The entries will be looking at for the entries, so I'm going to be expecting volatility 25 to do a retest on this path before I begin to find entry. So bearish move on volatility 25 once there's an entry, and then volatility 50, it's on this liquidity side. We will be looking for a confirmation for a bearish move, and then volatility 75. So you'll be expecting the updates on the group. Okay, so that's why you must be on the channel. So it's on a ranging path. I'm waiting out for the breakout of the range. So the directional bias is not very clear, and then we have volatility 100. Okay, so it's on this side, so I'm going to wait for it to retest on this liquidity side, and I'm going to find the bearish move on volatility 100, and quickly we go to boom 500, and then for boom 500 we're going to look out for that entry to this liquidity side. Of course, we don't go bearish on boom because it spikes bullish. So what I'm going to be waiting for is to find its full reversal. No liquidity on the bullish side, so I won't be getting any entry for boom right now until I find a bullish liquidity, which will form my pivot for the reversal. Crash 500, just as boom, it's been spiking upward, or it's been moving upward. Of course, crash spikes down, so I'm not buying. I'm waiting for the bearish confirmation, because I go bearish on crash, go bullish on boom. So I'm going to be waiting for price to give me a confirmation on this liquidity side. Once it gives me a confirmation, we're going to be sparking down to this liquidity side, and then we move to jump. So we have the next, which is jump 25. Okay, so price is here waiting for a confirmation, most likely going bullish. So once I get that, update will be on VIP free, because jump 25, volatility 25 is for both free and the VIP channel. So jump 50, I'm going to look out for confirmation. Yeah, it's ranging here, so if the range breaks upward, we go bullish. If it breaks down, we go bearish up to this liquidity and this liquidity. So there are going to be shots for up and down. So we have jump 75. Currently it's going bullish. Okay, so I'm going to wait for price to get to this bullish bearish liquidity side before I find a bearish move for the reversal. And finally we have jump 100, and jump 100 is going massively bullish. It's going massively bullish. Okay, so it looks like let's see. Okay, so if you look closely, you see that it's broken structure, changed character. So but I see it coming down to this point before moving, because this is not much volume here, so price may come grab more volume before it goes, because it's going to go long. So it will need more momentum for that move. That will be all for our weekly analysis, and I wish you well. Remember, you should be studying, backtesting, and getting ready for a great week. And remember not to trade if you do not find your setup. You may not find your setup, because this is the closing part of the year. It's even advisable professionally not to be trading, but because as a trader, you have to keep looking into the market, whether holidays or not. We're putting out our setups with analysis, so that if price for any reason plays around our setups, then we will be finding and getting our entry. Okay, so then get ready. We're launching our physical centers first in Abuja, then Lagos. The first physical meeting will be holding on the 1st of February here in Abuja, and that very day we're going to have a beautiful time, a beautiful session, 12 noon. The details will be sent to you once you register, because of course it's going to be for the VIP. And then we'll be having our final session for the online training, okay, which will be closing up with a graduation and award ceremony with party. This session will start 1st January, closing 7th January, and then we're going to have the graduation on the 8th of January. See you during the live training session Monday, 1 p.m. GMT +1. Until then, keep enjoying, keep winning, and keep succeeding in the forex and crypto.